Okay, welcome back to the next video. This is a different one today. I'm going to be rating my football kits I've got. So, Bolton Wanderers kits, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna do a slightly different video like this, but so obviously I'm wearing my t-shirt. I'm gonna begin changing into my different t-shirts and showing you and what the negatives are and positives and what I like about them, and I'll just rate them out of 10. So yeah, we'll crack on with this video, and I'll also make it into a YouTube Shorts as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, right, this is my first Bolton Wanderers t-shirt. This is the 21-22 version, I think it is. Oh no, 20 or 21, I can't quite remember, but it's got home bargains on. I hope it's not back to front on camera. If it is, I'll reverse the footage. What I like about this is it's got those like little patterns, and I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's got little patterns thing. It's got the Bolton Wanderers emblem though, and I think that's the Macron logo there. And then on the back, I've got like I think it's an 1877 Wars of Lancashire type thing. So yeah, and obviously you've got the colours there, and I think it's a V-neck this, by the looks of it, yeah. So yeah, my rating for this, it's a well-known brand, obviously, Home Bargains, so obviously I think this is probably one of the best ones I've got, so I'd probably rate a 10 out of 10 on this. I know I can't be rating 10 out of 10 on everything, but yeah, this is a 10 out of 10. So yeah, and I'll see you with my next t-shirt on. This is my next t-shirt. This is last season's t-shirt in 2022-2023. Service My Car was the brand at the time that they were sponsored. What I like about this is it's similar to the Home Bargains one I've just shown you. But what's different about this is got, I don't know if you can see on camera, but you've got the Bolton Wanderers logo in the white with some white lines on. Just a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know, when I first got this I didn't notice this, but on the back of the thing, it won't show on camera, you've got like an outline of the Reebok Stadium on it, but I only noticed that in the last minute. So yeah, by the way, this is the home kit, by the way, so you've got your Bolton Wanderers emblem there, Macron, you've got like your colours as usual. I think this is a V. This isn't a V neck. This one, it's like a round neck. I don't know what you call them, but yeah, you've still got the collar and colour. The colour's exactly the same as the Home Bargains one. So yeah, this is my second one I got. So I'll get changed again and show you the next one. Okay, this is the last season kit. Service My Car still. This is the away kit I've got on. It's quite snazzy, this one. Oh, I don't think I rated that other one out of 10. I just showed you, but that's the home one. I think I would have rated that about 6 out of 10, that one. But I think this one's quite snazzy. So obviously you've got the Service My Car still. It's in white this time, all in white. I like this like retro blue, I would call it. It's got like a sport look with the different lines. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's also got the outline again with the Reebok Stadium at the back of it. I don't know if you can tell on camera because it's in blue, but yeah, that's what I like about this one. It's got the Bolton Wanderers emblem there in the Macron, just in that one. This is a V-neck as well. This one's a bit of a V-neck. The white on the sleeves this time, not black and red like the other ones. So yeah, I'd probably rate this about a 9 out of 10. Yeah, because it is snazzy. Well, in fact, no, I'll rate this as 10 out of 10 because this is probably one of the best, just the colours. Oh, by the way, you've got on the shirts the emblems type thing. So yeah, I'd say this is a 10 out of 10 for me. So yeah, I'll show you my current kits and rate some as well now. Okay, this is the current season kit. Victoria Plumbing is the sponsor on this one. It's very different to the one I've had in the past. It's got It's all black and white this time. There's no red shown, I don't think, except we've also got the Bolton Wanderers badge as usual and the Macron thing. Um, there's no design on the back of this one, I don't think. There's a few lines probably. But what I don't like about this one, I don't know if you can see on camera, but you've got like a bit of a, it says the one and only Wanderers, and that's like an elastic, and sometimes, I think it's on the other one, this is the home one, but on the other one, I'll review that one in a few minutes. So yeah, I'd probably rate this one. I weren't gonna get it, but I'd probably rate this a five. Five, you know, because yeah, that can be a bit annoying sometimes. And it does fit okay. It's V-neck as well. So yeah, I'd rate it a five. So yeah, I'll show you. I think I'm on to my last T-shirt now. Okay, I'm on to my last one. This is Victoria Plumbing. This is the away kit. So yeah, I like this one. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's got that snazzy little lines on it. I think you'd call them. Yeah, a few snazzy. This is in black bedware, so you've got the Bolton Wanderers logo and the Macron logo. It's a round neck one. I didn't show you on the last kit, but you have got a design at the back. You've obviously got, I think it's up there, like a sponsor and a Wanderers sign on there. So yeah, I think, and also the Macron thing. What I don't like about this is that there's like an elastic there that flaps. So yeah, that's a bit annoying because it feels a bit funny on me when you're walking, do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's not an issue, but I'd probably rate this one about a 7 out of 10, this one. And also, just like the other one, you've got like an elastic there, and sometimes that can like grip onto you, but not much. But yeah, I'd probably rate this as 7. Okay, these are my Macron shorts I've got on at the moment. I do like them. You've got like a little red strip down the side with lines on and the Macron logo. Then obviously another Macron logo there, and then the Bolton Wanderers logo there. But the downside is to these that there's no pockets. There's no pockets here or there. So yeah, I do wish in the future that they do bring a few pockets out. You know, like you can put stuff in them and that. So yeah, I've had these shorts for a while, but yeah, I'd probably rate these about a 3 out of 10. I know, just because there's no pockets and obviously they're quite short as well, but that's not an issue. But for like running in, doing a bit of sport, they're okay. So yeah, you've got like red design, red and white. So yeah, I rate these a 3. I forgot to show you this one. This is the Wembley one. Wembley 2023, as we went to Papa John's Trophy, we got this one. This is like an everyday t-shirt that I've got from Wembley. You've got the design on there. That's all. It's like cotton, this one, like silky type thing. So yeah, this was limited edition. I'm not wearing this anymore. I put this in a way. So yeah, this is like an everyday wear, but obviously I don't like wearing it because it's a special t-shirt for me. So I'd probably rate this one a 10 out of 10. Because it is limited edition, of course. It's Wembley. We went Papa John's Trophy. It's got the Papa John's Trophy EFL logo there as well, Bolton Wanderers logos. Yeah. So this is like an everyday t-shirt you'd usually wear. So yeah, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. So yeah, I did forget to put this in this video, but I just thought I'd review this one as well. And obviously, I've got another one as well. I'm going to show you that as well. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. This is my second Wembley top. I got still cottons. Still proper cotton, it's your like everyday use, but I don't use it for every day. There's a bit more colour on it, there's Wembley, a bit of a design on it for Wembley. It's a bit more colourful than the last one. It's got 100, it's got the old Bolton logo there, and then the current Bolton logo there, 100 years. And yeah, you've got the, can't read that properly upside down, but yeah, you've got that there. So, oh, it's backwards on camera. I thought it was right then, but it's not. So yeah, you've got that there. So yeah, I'd probably give this about another 10 out of 10. Just like your everyday use anyway. So yeah, I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. So yeah, well while we're at it, I won't do another intro, but outro. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. This is a bit of a different video, a bit of a fashion and style video. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. I've got more football content coming out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.